Have you ever wondered, looking at a magazine or a post or just looking at someone and they have that perfect wing liner, and you thought to yourself, I wish I could do it? Well, you have come to the right place. Stick around and I'll show you how. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. You guys are staying healthy. I wanted to come on and show you guys a few tips and tricks that I know that I use personally to achieve that perfect wing liner every time. If you guys are interested in learning how to get that perfect eyeliner look, continue watching and don't forget to subscribe. So when we think about a wing liner, I know we all kind of freak out and we're like, oh my god, I could never do that. That is not true. You also can achieve that perfect wing eyeliner that you always see on social media. You see it on Facebook, Instagram, celebrities. There are different ways of achieving that. There's different products that you can use based on the level of your experience. So I want to go over a couple of items. If you are doing wing liners, if you're using a gel product, if you're using powder products, or even a pencil, you want to make sure you have a variety of brushes. It doesn't have to be really expensive. As you can see, I have a different variety of it. What I've seen is a lot of people try to do eyeliner and they tug on their eye. When you are tugging on this eye, as you can see, it changed the shape of my eye. And when you're creating that eyeliner, it might look perfect, and then once you release, it looks different. So you want to try to avoid tugging on your eye as much as you can. Another tip is, what you want to do is place your pinky somewhere so that you have a more control. For today's video, I'm going to be using a Bundy liner. You want to start off right in the middle, okay? And in the beginning, what you want to do is stick to your liner being the closest possible to your lash line, okay? You don't want to start off too thick unless you know exactly what you're doing. But sometimes, depending on the looks, I like to start thin and then make it thick because it's easier to add than to remove, okay? So I'll just start off thin, and again, I'm starting right in the middle. Okay, I zoomed in a little bit so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. So now I'm looking here. What you want to do is right where your lashes end, you want to just follow that and flick it upwards, okay? Just like that. And then what you want to do is grab it and then bring it down right here and connect it. So I have that there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to slowly take it in. So now what we're going to do is clean up the eyeliner. All of the mistakes that we made, how to make it like really sharp. So we're just going to do that. Now what you want to do is grab a concealer. It could be any, concealer that is your favorite. 212 brush. And this is a MAC brush. It's really nice and thin. And it's perfect to really get close to the edges of your liner and just really clean it up. You could also use this brush with an eyeshadow and just dip it into the eyeshadow, and you can use that as an eyeliner, and it just works wonders, okay? So now I'm just gonna go in and follow that liner at the end and just clean up what you need to clean up and just flick it upwards, just like that. You see that? So now what you want to do is grab any pencil brush or any small brush that you prefer. I just found this, and so I'm just gonna work with this. And I'm just blending out the edges of that concealer. I'm not going nowhere near the liner. I'm just blending the edges, and you want to come downwards. Do not go upwards, just downwards and blend. So now I'm just adding a little bit of mascara before I put on my falsies and finish the look. Just to add a little bit of jus. My girl Malia and her lashes are amazing. Look at these lashes. These are so gorgeous. I am so excited to finally get my hands on these and try it out for you guys. So again, compact mirror. Any mirror that you have, any small mirror, any mirror that you're close to, you know, it's important. Also, don't want to do is tug on your skin again to apply this. So I just placed it on. You see that? It just placed on perfectly. You want to make sure you're putting it right in the middle. Okay. And then I'm going to work my way out. So I'm going to place this on the outer part. Just like that. I think the glue dried because I was yapping too much. I am loving these lashes. They're so wispy and full and just perfect. Perfect for this look because we don't have too much eye makeup on, so this just really completes the look for me. Guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tips and tricks tutorial on how to achieve that perfect wing liner. Leave your comments and questions down below. I will be in the comment section when the video goes live for at least an hour, so I would love to chat with you guys. Again, thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time.